Uncle, can you fix a watch? It's a lot of scratches. Also the inside, it
The
fell off.
needle.
Yeah, the timepiece.
You want to this also done?
Yeah, both.
You have to change the glass.
Yeah, change glass and then fix the inside. You can do it?
Yes, I will. This will cost you 150.
150.
Yes.
Oh, it's very reasonable.
And it will take around 15 to 20
Oh,
minutes.
it's very fast. No problem. Yeah. Have you been repairing watches for a long time?
Almost 45 years.
Wow. Long time.
Yes.
You make video? You open it up. So that's what it looks like on the inside. This is the battery, yeah?
This is the battery.
Battery. Okay. And the gear.
Gears are all inside under this.
I see. So there, the second hand fell off. Oh, it just fell off. Not broken.
Yes. No.
Ah. So it just sits on top.
It must have fallen down.
Yeah, I dropped it.
So we have to adjust the needle so that it doesn't touch the other one.
Ah.
Otherwise, it will start stopping.
How do you? How can you see? Experience.
Yes. Otherwise, we have the
Magnifying glass.
magnifying glass also.
So the glass just pops out.
No, we'll have to break it open.
I have to break it. Wow.
I think you already got it changed somewhere.
Yeah, but it was broken. I dropped it. And then this is the glue, huh?
Glue, we have to remove it first.
Yeah.
Only then we can fix a new glass. Such tools are not available anywhere.
Yeah.
These are all self-made.
Oh, you made these tools.
Yes.
You have to like weld them together, like.
No. This is a plain rod,
Ah.
and we grind it
Wow.
to sharpen it.
Wow. Brush.
I'll have to see which thickness will fit into this.
Like how thick the glass is,
How
huh?
thick I have two glass in two thicknesses available.
Yeah. This is too thick, huh?
No, this is smaller.
Too small, huh?
I think this should be okay.
Yeah. Oh, this one fits much better. The old one was sticking outside. That's not correct.
That's what I was looking for.
Yeah.
It is slightly smaller. I'll have to see the next number.
Yeah.
If this is better in fitting, we'll go for this. Otherwise, no.
Yeah.
That one will fix. This is okay.
This one looks nice, yeah. And it fits like straight onto the face.
One moment. That had a little spot which will be visible on the black dial. If the background was white, that will work.
No problem. This is the glue, huh?
Yes.
So then you get off the other glue, huh?
We use it in an inclined.
Inclined angle. Just like a shaving blade.
Yes.
Like jugaad style, right? cleaner.
Yes, this is.
Glass cleaner.
No, it is not the glass cleaner. It is actually, it removes the excess
the glue, huh?
glue.
Like a lens cleaner.
No, no, no.
It's different.
I have used
okay.
the empty bottle.
I see.
This actually is a chemical
It's like
called acetone.
acetone. It breaks down glue. Oh, nice. Looks much better. Oh, looks great. Oh, much better. Well, the glass is so shiny. Oh, great. Thank you so much. What's the most expensive watch you ever repaired? You ever repair like Rolex or something? Or?
Rolex also I have repaired. Bulgari.
Wow. You have to be very careful with those.
Yes, we have to be very careful.
Oh, thank you so much.
I
sir.
have repaired Omega also.
Omega as well.
Yes.
Wow. Some big watches.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
This is very good.
Where are you from?
USA.
USA.
USA, yeah. Thank you. Your name?
Hardeep.
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 Okay. You're Sikh. Do you say Sat Sri Akal?
Sat Sri Akal.
Do you say Meherbani for thank you?
Shukriya.
Shukriya.
Meherbani, shukriya.
Meherbani, shukriya.
Meherbani is a different word. Shukriya means thanks.
Yeah, Meherbani is like.
You are doing favor to someone.
Okay. Doing favor.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Shukriya. Thank you. Man, what a cool guy. And he only charged me like.
Hello, bro.
Hello, how are you? He only charged me like 60% of what the other guy charged me. So, wow. Super honest guy. If you're here in Nehru Place, come check him out. You go to Shital General Store. He's way on the inside on the left side. Hello, bro.
Nice looking watch.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You did a good job.
If you like that video, YouTube thinks you'll like this video. Also, shamelessly, yes, this is a way for me to make the video 8 minutes long, so YouTube will put more ads in it. Thanks, YouTube.